How to fix Spotify? Can't play this right now on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem on Spotify. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you go directly to apps or applications, and you will find here all the application that you have on your phone. So what you should do, just search for Spotify, and when you found Spotify, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify application again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.